to an example of what snap points do inside of your Chief Architect plan. I'm going to draw out a line here, and you see we're going to get a couple of symbols that show up as I get close to this corner here. So what I want to do to kind of illustrate what we're looking at here is I'm going to get into Preferences, Edit Preferences, and we're going to get into the panel that's called Edit with a subpanel Snap Properties. And we're going to see a couple of sections in here. Under the Snap Indicators section, you're going to see an indicator color that is black and then an extension color that is pink. And then we see the object snaps all have corresponding names, where a square is an endpoint and a center is that circle icon. And then you might see something like the intersections one, which is a cross. So if we get back in here and draw that line out again, we can kind of understand what's happening here. Is we've got a primary extension color, a secondary extension color. It's indicating the type of snaps that we are getting based on the symbol that it's represented by. So that if we're picking up some snaps that we don't like, say that we don't like those square and circle snap points, which is that endpoint and that middle snap point, we can actually go into Preferences and turn those two off temporarily. So let me turn off that endpoint, turn off that center, and then what we're going to pick up is just those intersecting snap points. You can see here, now we've just got that X. So if you need some finite control over your snap points, there you go. There's a little bit more information in regards to how these snap points are working and how those symbols correlate to your snap points.